Hey guys, welcome back to TechTube. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Discord with your Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to link Discord and Crunchyroll, you just simply have to open this Crunchyroll application. And now, after opening the Crunchyroll application into your Android phone, you just simply have to click into this account section at the bottom right corner. Just simply click there, and after that, scroll down until you see this option of app experience, and into the app experience option you just simply have to click into this connected app into here, and after that it will show the option of Discord. In order to link the Discord with the Crunchyroll account, you just simply have to click into this connect button here, and after that it will lead you to the web browser that you are using, and into here you just simply have to log into your Discord account. And after logging in into your Discord account, you can simply link the Discord and Crunchyroll. By following these very easy steps, you can easily link Discord to your Crunchyroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.